welcome to my channel. Today we will be making saag. The ingredients you will need is 6 bunches of saag, 2 whole garlics, 1 tomato, 2 tablespoons of crushed chilies, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a cup of oil and salt to taste. Crush the garlic. Then heat the oil in a pan, and once the oil is hot, add the garlic. Add the salt and stir. Add some water if required. Now add the tomatoes and let the tomatoes cook until they're softened. Once the tomatoes are soft, add the crushed chilies and stir well. Add the turmeric and the garam masala and add a little bit of water so the spices don't burn. Keep stirring for a few minutes until the oil comes to the surface. As you can see, the oil has come to the surface, and now you could add the saag. Make sure you boil the saag before you add it to the spices. The saag will release its fluids. Once the fluids have dried and the water, the saag will be cooked. Keep stirring in between. As you can see, the water has dried and the saag is ready.